Hey guys, it's Tony. Happy Friday. I just wanted to update you guys on those puts that I bought for PLTR. They did expire worthless. I completely forgot about this play like halfway through my day because I had like a crap ton to do at work and stuff. But yeah, they did expire worthless. It shot up to $29. I'll do another TA on PLTR, but I'm still bearish, to be honest. Like, I'm still bearish on PLTR. I know it ran up today, but I did tell you guys, like on the TA that I did last time, that there was a chance that it would run up to $31 again before dropping back to 25. I still think that it's gonna drop back. It's gonna drop back down to 25 bucks again. I do think, well, short term I am bearish. Long term, I'm obviously extremely bullish on PLTR. But there is a gap that needs to get filled. That needs to get filled. So I'm still bearish on PLTR. I know a lot of people are still gonna be upset about, me saying that I'm still bearish on PLTR, because I know this is exactly what happened last video, right? So I'll probably be doing another TA today when I have time on PLTR, explaining why I'm still bearish on Palantir, even though we did have this like 15% run up today towards almost 30 bucks, right? But I'll definitely drop that later today. Those puts that I bought did expire worthless. Again, just letting you guys know. Every once in a while, I do like to gamble. It's super fun. Just letting you guys know. Keeps things interesting and stuff, But yeah, I'll definitely update you guys a little bit later on some more TA on PLTR, my thoughts, and then I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.